In this video, we will compare Shopify versus Bigcommerce versus Magneto versus Woocommerce. Which e-commerce platform is the best to use? Shopify. Shopify is widely regarded as one of the most beginner-friendly e-commerce platforms, offering a fully hosted solution that takes care of hosting, security, updates and maintenance. Its drag-and-drop builder, mobile responsive themes and robust inventory management makes it ideal for users who want to launch a store quickly without a steep learning curve. Shopify also includes real-time shopping rates, abandoned cart recovery, and multi-channel selling across platforms like Instagram, Amazon and Facebook, making it a great all-in-one e-commerce solution for many businesses and entrepreneurs. The platform's standout feature is the App Store, which includes thousands of third-party integrations to expand functionality. These range from advanced analytics and loyalty programs to dropshipping tools. Shopify's POS allows merchants to sell in person, syncing seamlessly with online stores. Its scalability is noticeable and serves small businesses as well as enterprise-level clients via Shopify Plus. With 24/7 support and strong user community, it always helps availability if you run into any issues. However, Shopify has its limitations. Its own proprietary language is called Liquid, which can make advanced customization challenging for non-coding developers. Additionally, although its base subscription starts at $39 per month, many essential features require paid third-party apps, which can drive up total costs for many small businesses. Furthermore, Shopify charges extra transaction fees up to 2%. Despite these cons, Shopify is known as one of the top choices for businesses who prioritize simplicity, speed and reliability. It's particularly well structured for many startups and medium-sized companies that want to focus on growing their business rather than managing technical operations. Bigcommerce. Bigcommerce is known for its robust set of built-in features and flexibility. Unlike Shopify, it includes many tools like real-time shipping quotes, professional reporting and coupon creation, without needing for additional apps or plugins. Its fully hosted platform means that you do not have to worry about security or server management, and it allows for easy multi-channel selling across eBay, Amazon, Google, Facebook and more. The platform is also optimized for SEO, offering URL customization, automatic sitemap and fast page loading time. One of Bigcommerce's strengths is its scalability. It's designed to grow with your business, from startup to enterprise. It supports a wide range of business types and complex structures, making it suitable for both B2B and B2C operations. Bigcommerce integrates easily with major payment gateways and offers robust tax management features. There are no additional transaction fees, even if you use third-party payment providers, which gives it a massive edge over Shopify in terms of long-term costs. That said, Bigcommerce comes with its own challenges. While it offers more functionality than Shopify, its learning curve can be a lot steeper, especially for users who are not tech-savvy. Some users report that the back-end interface is not as intuitive, and customization requires a lot of development knowledge. Also, Bigcommerce uses revenue-based pricing tiers. Once your annual sales exceed a certain threshold, you're automatically bumped up to a more expensive plan. Still, Bigcommerce is ideal for businesses that scale quickly and have more complex product catalogues. It's especially appealing for brands that want enterprise-level features without investing in completely custom solutions. Magneto. Now Adobe Commerce. Magneto is known as Adobe Commerce and is one of the most powerful open-source e-commerce platform on the market. It's designed with flexibility and scalability in mind, offering complete control over the design, functionality and user experience of their online store. Magneto supports multi-front storefronts, currencies and languages, and comes with advanced product management, customizable checkout and built-in marketing tools. It's especially favoured by developers and enterprise businesses alike that require complex configuration and custom features. The open source version of Magneto is free to use, but you'll need to pay for hosting, security and developmental cost. On the other hand, Magento Commerce, the enterprise version, starts at around $2,000 per month and includes features like custom segmentation, advanced analytics, content staging and dedicated support. This version is built for large-scale enterprises and operations, particularly for businesses managing multi-brand or selling across borders or internationally. Magneto's strength lies in its adaptability. You can build virtually anything, providing you have the technical resources. However, Magneto comes with a steep learning curve. It's not suitable for many beginners or small businesses without a coding team. Installation, customization, and updates often require professional developers, which can significantly raise total cost over ownership. Furthermore, Magneto's site can be resource intensive, meaning you need powerful hosting servers to maintain high performance levels and fast loading times. Magneto is best for large businesses and enterprises that need complex and high customization ability. Woocommerce. Woocommerce is free, open source plugin for WordPress that turns any website into a functioning online store. Because it's built on WordPress, Woocommerce benefits from its vast ecosystem of WordPress themes, plugins and SEO tools. It supports unlimited products, flexible payments and shipping options, a large library of extensions for everything from subscriptions to bookings. It's perfect for those who are already using WordPress and want full control over their website and store customization. One of WooCommerce's strongest features is its flexibility. You can completely tailor your store design and functionality, and there's a large community of developers and support forums to help with troubleshooting and enhancing your online store. It integrates easily with major payment gateways such as Square, Stripe, PayPal and more, to manage digital and physical products side by side. Because you can control your own hosting, you can choose a provider that matches the performance and budget that you have. However, WooCommerce does come with some downsides. Since it's self-hosted, you will be responsible for managing site speed, security, updates and backups. While the core plugin is free, you'll likely need to purchase premium themes, add-ons and extra things for advanced shipping, reporting and marketing tools, which can all add up very quickly. It also requires a bit more technical knowledge than Shopify to maintain the hosted platforms. WooCommerce is an excellent choice for small to medium-sized businesses that want to maximise flexibility and do not mind managing the technical side of their website. It's especially appealing for those who are already familiar with WordPress. Overall, Shopify is best all-in-one e-commerce platform for beginners and growing businesses looking for an ease of use and reliable support. Bigcommerce is ideal for scaling businesses that want built-in features, strong SEO, and no transaction fees. Magneto, or Adobe Commerce, is perfect for large enterprise needing advanced customization and full control over their online store. Woocommerce. Woocommerce is a top choice for WordPress users seeking flexibility, cost-effective solutions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.